How to fix your YouTube banner size for PC. Now, if you want to fix your YouTube banner size for PC, you just simply need to open your YouTube application and then go to your profile. You can do this by using your PC or mobile phone. Now, after coming in this page, you need to tap into this pencil icon right here. Now, after going in there, you are gonna see this option of banner or the banner of your channel. Now, in order to customize it for PC, you just simply need to tap into the banner and tap to choose from your photos. Now, if you don't have any photos to upload as a banner in YouTube, you can easily design it by using the image editing software. Just simply do that and then tap to choose from your photos. Now, just to demonstrate, I'll be using this image from Clash Royale. Now, in this image, as you can see, here are three boxes. The first one is this middle box, second one is this longer one, and the third one is this very big one. The first one will be revealed in all devices and mostly in the Androids, and this second longer box will be revealed in your desktop, and this bigger box will be revealed as banner in your TV. Now, if you want to change it only for the desktop, you need to select your banner inside this longer box. Just simply place your banner exactly in this second or the longer box in the middle and tap to save button. Then your banner will be saved in your YouTube for PC. Now, this is how you can adjust your banner size for PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.